Guys, a new video. I'm going to be installing a Y-Pipe. This is ISR. I got this for it was 191 plus shipping and taxes is 217. I ordered it yesterday and it got here today, so and it was just 12 bucks of shipping, so that was pretty quick. 2.5 inch piping to the 3-inch collector, so it's gonna pair up nice with my 3-inch ISR single. Alright guys, so let's put this on. Alright guys, so I got the old Y-Pipe out, you know, simple 6 bolts. I'm gonna put the new one back in. This one was leaking from the flex pipes. This is actually a VHR Y-Pipe, it's not the original, it's not the OEM HR Y-Pipe. So now I'll put this on. Alright guys, the Y-Pipe is on. Everything is bolted up. I'm gonna add some gasket sealant just in case, cause even with Z1 gaskets they still leak. I obviously have some, so I'm just gonna apply it everywhere in all 3 flanges, and then I'll give you guys a startup, a cold start, and then some revs. I already got the Y-Pipe on. I just applied the gasket sealant or gasket maker, whatever. I have to wait till it dries a little bit. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then I'll start it and everything. I need to get a front lip. I think I'm gonna order that next week, and I'll paint it white along with the eyelids. I've been lazy to paint. Yeah, but she does good. A cold start. Also guys, the Z did get new wheels. I got these yesterday for 400 bucks with tires. They're 18 by 10 and a half. I already ordered springs, so I'm gonna be installing those next week or weekend. Yeah, she looks good. And after I lower her, I won't be doing anything till I tune, I guess. I still have stock intakes. But yeah, I think I'm gonna tune on stock intakes and just save up for some 3-inch intakes. Well, this feels good with the wheels.